Okay, guys, today we are going to dive into some pendulum work. Okay, so using a pendulum is very simple. I have lapis lazuli here, okay, because I love it. It has silver in it. It's the earth, I believe. You guys, why is it? Focus. It's not going to show you the silver. There's silver in it, though. I don't know. See, it won't show me. Anyways, so when you dive into pendulum work, what you're going to do is get your camera right first. So pendulum is going to give you yes or no answers unless you have a board. You can do a rainbow board with the alphabet A through Z, and then it will show you what letters, and then you either have to write them down or you have to remember what words they're saying or what names they're saying or whatever. But if you just want to dive into just real quick pendulum work, this is how it works. Okay, so for one, your body is grounded with the earth. The pendulum is also grounded with the energy of the earth because it comes from the earth. It has properties of the earth. Okay, you can use any piece of metal. Actually, sometimes when you start doing pendulum work, you want to use a piece of metal instead of a crystal, because crystals hold energy and you have to clear that energy, or you have to cleanse your crystals, okay? But if you use a piece of metal, they do not. So you can use a nail, you can use a bolt. Like, the thing that I love about pendulums is literally you can make a pendulum out of anything. You can use your hair for the string if you need to. You can use a piece of string. You can use twine. You can use whatever, okay? As long as it holds and as long as the pendulum can dangle like this freely, okay? Like I said, you can use a bolt, you can use a nail, you can use whatever. I've literally made homemade pendulums at people's houses before because they were like, yeah, I want to do that, I want to know. And I was like, okay, well, what do you got? MacGyver that shit, y'all. Okay, so anyways, what you're going to do is, so you're connected to the ground. It's connected through, right? So you're going to use your hand of power. And you're going to hold the pendulum, and you're going to place your other hand underneath of it, okay? Because you are containing, not really containing, but you're just making the energy within this circle at the beginning, okay? So what you want to do is say, sometimes I can say element of earth, or sometimes I just say pendulum, okay? So I'm like, pendulum, please. Oh, that was my dog. Okay. Pendulum, please show me your answer for yes. So you see how it's going in a circle. That's this pendulum's answer for yes. Thank you, pendulum. Please stop. Pendulum, please, can you tell me the answer for no? You see it swinging side to side. Okay? This is how you use a pendulum, folks. Thank you, pendulum. Please stop. Thank you, ancestors. Thank you, spirits. Okay, so then you're going to ask whatever question you want as long as it is a yes or no answer, okay? So like, pendulum, do I drive a car? Of course I do. Right? But you can ask whatever you want. Pendulum, am I on a twin flame journey? Yes or no? Pendulum, do I have a soulmate coming in? Yes or no? Pendulum, am I going to get that job? Yes or no? Pendulum, am I going to have prosperity and abundance? Pendulum, am I going to pass that test? Pendulum, am I a badass bitch? Like, wouldn't that be funny? You want to see what they have to say about that? Wait, let's see. Let's see. I want to see what they say. I don't have to hold my hand under it anymore because it's already given me its yes or no answer, okay? So, Pendulum, please, can you tell me if I'm a badass bitch? I love you, Spirit. That is how you use the pendulum. And also say thank you. Thank you to your ancestors. Thank you to the divine. And thank you for your spirits for coming in and answering your questions.